Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. My name is Stacy. Today I'm very excited because I have an unboxing and review of my new HTVRONT hot heat press machine. I'm going to unbox it for you so you see what comes in the box, and also I'm going to be creating the first projects so you see how it works. Let's unbox it. This is so cute. I love this HTVRONT hot heat press. I like the color and design. And the insulated base looks super safe. The pressing mat is very soft and firm at the same time. This one goes like this, and you secure it with these elastics. I like it because you can press all kinds of hats or baseball caps. We can use this press to customize hats or caps with sublimation or iron-on vinyl. To show you how it works, I'm going to be customizing some hats using iron-on vinyl. This is glitter iron-on vinyl that I cut with my lock click machine. We're going to preheat the hot press. Push the power button to turn it on. Next, we're going to adjust the time and temperature. In the manual, you're going to find the heat guide. Press the set button once to adjust the temperature. And press the set button twice to set the time. It will be ready when the set button turns green. HTVRONT recommends to place the hat like this when pressing. And it definitely works depending on the shape of the hat. You can place the design over here and then you can press it. I do it a little different. I place the hat on top like this. Personally, I think that the hat stretches better this way, but you can do it as HTVRONT recommends. I'm going to start pressing the first layer. I'm going to secure it with heat-resistant tape. But before, I'm going to cut around the design. Before pressing the design, we're going to place a piece of butcher paper on top, and we're going to secure it with heat-resistant tape. To activate the timer, press the power button for 2 seconds. I will press it at 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. These are my own parameters, but I always recommend to make your own test or to follow the HTVRONT heat guide. And here is the first layer already pressed, and I like how it looks. Now I'm going to press the second layer. This is glitter iron-on. And we're going to do the same process as we did with the first layer. Here we have the first hat already customized using the new HTVRONT hat heat press machine. I love it. The heat mat is soft and that makes it easy when pressing the items. Like I mentioned before, HTVRONT recommends you to press the hat this way. So you can try both and see which one you like the best. Now I'm going to press a summer hat. And again, I'm going to customize it with glitter iron-on vinyl. Same process as we did with the first hat. Same time and same temperature. And here is the second hat already customized using the new HTVRONT hat heat press machine. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing and review of the new HTVRONT hat heat press machine. I'm going to link it in the video description below if you would like to learn more about it. And don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.